Hello guys, today's my topic is punishment for hacking computer. So let's start the slides. So first we will discuss the what is computer crime. Computer crime means any illegal activity which is committed by using computer or internet, and that activity is prohibited under the law. It is defined as a crime in which a computer object of the crime or is used as a tool to commit an offense. Next point is, after the implementation of IT Act in 2000 onwards, this crime was prohibited. So next slide is types of crime. First one is cyber crime, second one is hacking and cracking, third one is computer or cyber terrorism. So let's go the next slide. First we discuss cyber stalking. Computer or cyber stalking is one of the very popular means by which the cyber stalker exploit the internet and the Windows operating system in order to assume control over the computer of the user, and email account of the user may also be used as a tool for cyber stalking. Next point is, access to email account of an innocent user may be gained by the hacker, and that address may be used to send messages that may be threatening or offensive. Online stalker may post insulting message on electronic bulletin boards signed with the email address of the person being harassed or statement about the victims. So we discuss the punishment for cyber stalking. Section 66A of Indian Information Technology Act 2008 penalizes sending false and offensive messages through communication service. If any person who sends by the means of a computer resources or communication device, if any information that is grossly effective or has a menacing character, or any information which he or she knows to be a false, but for the purpose of causing annoyance, inconvenience, danger, obstruction, insult, criminal intimidation, hatred or ill will precedently makes by making use of such computer resources or a communication device. Next point is, any electronic mail or electronic mail message for the purpose of causing annoyance, of inconvenience, or to devise or to mislead the addressee of recipient about the origin of such message shall be punishable with imprisonment for term which may extend to 3 years with the fine. Next we discuss the hacking and cracking. Hacking is the act of finding the possible entry points that exist in a computer system or computer network, finally entering into them. Hacking is usually done to gain unauthorized access to a computer system or network, either to harm the system or to steal sensitive information available on the computer. And next point is, cracking on the other hand as a kind of hacking in which the person who cracks the security of the computer can download the information. Along with that, it can modify the data also. So then we discuss the punishment for hacking. Chapter 9 section 66 Chapter 11 section 66 of IT Act 2000 particularly deals deals with the act of hacking. Section 66, subclause 1 defines a hack as any person dishonestly or fraudulently does any act referred to in section 43 is called hacking. And section 62, subclause 2 prescribe the punishment for it. Hacking is punishable offence in India with imprisonment of 3 years or with fine up to 2 lakhs rupees or both. Chapter 11, section 43 of IT Act 2000 prescribe a penalty for the damage to a computer or computer system. Chapter 11, section 65 of the said act makes tampering with computer source documents an offence. Then we discuss third point is computer or cyber terrorism. Cyber terrorism means doing unlawful things through internet for political purpose to create hate in minds of people. It is any act which is done through cyber space to create a threat in the minds of people or to breach the sovereignty, unity or integrity of the country or to provoke the people or group of the people against the government. So in this slide we discuss the punishment for computer or cyber terrorism. Section 66 clause F provides punishment for cyber terrorism. Whoever with the intent to threaten the unity, integrity, security or sovereignty of India or to strike terror in people or any section of the people by denying or cause to denial of access to any person authorized to access computer resource or knowingly or intentionally gaining access to any computer resource and revealing restricted information which may be used to cause injury to the interests of the integrity of India's security of the state relations with foreign states, public order and decency or morality of the country. Whoever commit or comprise the commit cyber terrorism or above mentioned acts shall be punishable with the imprisonment which may be extended to life imprisonment. Thank you.